Hello friends, I am Deepak Jena, Director of Imperium Engineering Private Limited. We are established in the year 2020 and have a state-of-the-art in-house panel manufacturing facility at Pratapnagar, Vadodara. We specialize in designing and manufacturing top quality electrical and automation panels. With CPRI, ERDA and ISO 9001-2015 certifications, we ensure reliability and precision. Let's power your industry together. I am associated with Engiexpo since the year 2020 and have highly benefited from it from the last 5 years and hope to continue with Engiexpo for long time. Thank you.